In this video, we can discuss how to automate the iOS app on BrowserStack tool with TestNG framework. So I'm using the TestNG framework. I'm selecting this one, TestNG. Before starting this section, we required the BrowserStack tool or we required BrowserStack tool credentials. Once we log in into the BrowserStack, you will land it into the live live screen in this screen, and we have to choose the option from app automation option on the uh, header. We will land into the, by default we will land into the screen. uh, we need to choose app automations on the browser stack menu. Then once you choose it, you will land into this screen, not this one, this screen. And we have to choose the framework, and based on the choosing the framework, you will navigate into the particular page. I'm selecting the TestNG framework, so he will navigate into the Happyum with the TestNG framework screen. These are the prerequisite steps to run a sample build in our your mission to with our browser stack with our browser stack account. So first of all, we required the TestNG version this required, and a Java version above 8 plus version. And first of all, to run the sample build, we need to download a zip file, and import the file from the file to the your IDE Eclipse, and then you can configure the browserstack.yaml file on the project. First of all, how to import the project on the uh, Eclipse IDE. I'm opening the Eclipse IDE tool. Yeah, I'm giving. We are giving the workspace directory, or I'm giving the workspace directory is this one, and launching it. Yeah, this one is not required, so I'm closing this one. We will this one Android project. So we are working on the iOS app. So I'm deleting this one. Ignore this step. Uh, yeah, here once you choose the workspace location, you will see these options on the package explorer. First we need to import the project from your local directory. So once click on the import project, you will we can click on this one, or we can select the import option from the here under the file. You will see the import, and clicking on the import, you will see the pop-up with this options. We have to select general, and under the general we have to select project from the folder or archive. Once you select this one, you will see the we have to give the directory of the uh, project, sample project folder. So I'm giving the sample project, downloaded sample project folder details. This is in under the uh, desktop, and this one TestNG, and iOS, and I'm choosing TestNG hyphen. Under the iOS, I'm TestNG hyphen examples file folder. I'm selecting it, and I click on open button. Once you click on it, you will see the project is ready to import into the IDE tool. When you clicking on the finish button, the project will be loaded into the IDE tool. After importing the project, we have to do some changes on the browserstack.yaml file and the pom.xml file. Without changing this one, the test should be getting failed. So first of all, we need to change those files, configuration files. After this one, the project is successfully loaded into the Eclipse IDE tool. Now we have to go for the browserstack.yaml file first. And then here, first of all, we have to give the username details. Here you can find the user details names on the this screen, access keys details. When you clicking on it, you will see the username. Copy it and paste it here, and access key like this one. Here I'm pasting it. After that, we have to give the source of the app. If you are giving the source of app from the local, we have to give like this one. I'm giving the source local source app. So if you want to give the BrowserStack app, we need to upload that particular app into the BrowserStack, and we can give, we will get the one key from the BrowserStack. We have to paste it on the uh, app details. I'm uploading the here we have a upload app option. When you click on it, we will see the we navigating to the particular directly which have the where the sample app is available. So I'm choosing the browser stack sample app .ipa file, and when you selecting this one, and it's automatically uploaded, and once its upload is done, you will get the access key for the browser stack from the browser stack. And when we have to go back to this one, and we can directly replace it, or we can give the same app. Yeah, I'm changing the access username and access key and app details. After that, we have to give the uh, device details. Currently, we are using iPhone 11, iPhone 11 with the version of only in free version we will get only one device for the testing. So we will get iPhone 11 with the 13 version, and platform number is platform name is iOS. So we have to give the details, and we can give the parallel of executions and the details parallels for the platform. Once if you give the multiple devices, we can give the parallel execution time. So for suppose I'm executing one by one step, so I'm giving at a time we can execute the test case one test case. So I'm giving one. These are the changes in the this browser stack dot YAML file, and save it and close it. In this form.xml file, we have to give the browser stack jar location file and under the form.xml file. And also we are not running the local test app, so we have to comment it. We can run at a time sample hyphen local hyphen test, or we can sample hyphen test, means this one is test suite will be executed on the browser stack. It should be this suite.xml file is executed on in our local devices. So now we are local device execution is not required for me for now. I'm giving commenting this one. We are executing only on the browser stack, so we are giving the sample execution. You will see the sample text test 10g execution.xml files are available here. This file we are giving the details, and we are giving the location of the file, and those are the test we are executing this file. Under this XAML file, we are executing only one Java file, that is first test. The first test is under the available under the source under test under slash Java folder. You will see the browser stack. Under the browser stack, you will see the first test for the demo purpose. To execute the first test execution. So we are giving the first test the Java file here, location name here. So after that, on that form.xml file, we have to change one location. We have to give the one location here. Here we have to give the browser stack Java hyphen SDK for location. We need to give the here. We have to give the location here. Okay, I'm giving location here jar file, and also we have to give another place as well. Um, yeah, I think this one only. Yeah, I gave the location of the file. Mm, yes, yeah, I already gave this one sample.